Ka akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishan haka khatlai tarik hadu ka khat santrik upanai kelaling kot arajara arpulai kala penlong ye ka 6 state conference hayung wale ka dorbar snong Chileang Raj Jowai haka jingelang jongkani ka 6 state conference kepada long haka khat sau tarik lawan banyadon lang da ka Padma Shri award ka kong Trinity Sayo kepada long kum ka kong san Hamar Singh El Kharmar kum sumbot kong san Ashish Chauhan, National Organizing Secretary, ABVP, Dr. Sashan Kuttalang Kongtongrem, State President, Tengku M. Marak, State Secretary, ABVP, SK Lato, Chairman Reception Committee, Skem Jingmut Lao, Secretary Reception Committee, but Kiwei Kire Rangba. Yaka jingelang hagani ka snila penyait da ka Sumarlin Maulong, State Social Media Convener, ha kaba USK Lato, Chairman Reception Committee, ula ayi ki kintin pedang buram, balayoru ka jingkren na Dr. Sashan Kutlang Kongtorem, State President ABVP, but Skem Jingmut Lao, Secretary Reception Committee. Ka Padma Shri Award ka Kong Trinity Sayo, haba ai jingkren hagani ka sngi, kala ai ki kintin sneng kintin krau, but I mean semru you get cut ke ABVP, kat ba Hamar Singh El Kharmar, haba keren, ula I mean same, but penken mauru you get cut ke ABVP, halor ki lain tili ki kintin mic pang ka seng ki ba ong, knowledge, character, unity. Shishu hagani ka jingilang Ashish Chauhan, National Organizing Secretary, ABVP, ula keren, but ya tho shapang ki nongrem trekam jong ka seng, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishan. Haki laisngi jong ka 6 state conference la penlong ki program ba pair bakin thop ya ka procession kumban ajing sha shapang ka seng ABVP, but ru la don ki cultural program but ki wei ki bala ban kring ka perkhat perdan ki khot jong ka ABVP ki bala wan ki district ba pair jong ka jilla.
After we just got our independence. So, in that year, it is a necessity of circumstances that some of the youth, they wanted to form a forum, an organization for the protection of culture, for the love of nationalism, national integration. So, in 9 July 1949, ABVP was registered as a student organization, and today ABVP is the world's largest student organization.
Knowledge doesn't mean just studying in school. I think the most important knowledge, the wisdom, is to know who you are. With that understanding, and as you keep searching for who you are, your traditions, your culture, all the things that you've been given through generations, thousands of years, is now within you. And that knowledge will bring character, because you feel confident within. You're proud of who you are. If you're proud of who you are, you will have a good character, and then you can be more open and able to share your knowledge with your friends, your fellow man. That brings unity. And with that unity, it continues the cycle where you keep understanding yourself better. And this cycle should continue your whole life. So I think right now, an organization like ABVP is so important.
According to the jobs, do not judge, do not depend on the governments or others. Start making or creating your own. Do not sit idle. Do not waste your time unnecessarily on social media or on toxic things. Instead, try to learn new ways and means as to make money or to build your good name.